Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Igama lami nguJosi. Intro every day. Niyangazi nguJosi ngikhuluma izitori zabantu. Please ngicela nisubscribe and like and share my videos wami. Ne. Okay, sharp. Sisiyangibhalela nina, sisiyangibhalela awushoze. Abarinyala unyele. Uyithi kinkinyethi ukakabokoka kobrati. Abarinyala unyele kinyethi. Usisi uthi awushoze. Nomyeni wami sihlangana ejimini, mina was there to gym naye bekajima, so bekunezinto bengizenza wrong, then wa-offer ukuthi no, the exercise uyenza so, this one uyenza so, bona wamfa the tips kulobona. Hayi kabe sisaqala-ke sakhuluma each and every time angejimini sanothisana, every time asejimini angejimini sanothisana. Yena by then bekane-girlfriend nane-girl lesengele, wabona girl lesengele sorry awona uthi mina leso sikhathi bengisengele. Hayi makeza sometimes usana girlfriend yakhe, but like the eyes azolokha in, yabona sibonane ke awuyiveke adlule or awushoze. Hayi isikhathi sihambe uma 6 months vele siyabonana egcineni ubrother angicela amanamba. Now it's from that day kukhulumisa like unchamile sokukhuphela inamba zahawo. Okay sharp. Hayi sisters uthi ngimupha amanamba because nami already nje kulobona like every time ake kuthi ngenza so ukuthi ngiqoka kahle, like izinto ezimechayo ukuthi vele ukai anginotice or agcina vele ukai sanothisana ukai ngampi contact number yami. Okay ukai vele wangicontacta ke rabe sisakhuluma ke ku phone, azange sahlala sarwanshela mutholo ku phone unothomaro baby, how are you? Amadoda lamalanga kanti vele ukushela vele kwakhanseliwe emhlabeni. Uthi umuntu vele wathi baby how are you? Ayi nami vele ngachukeka ngobaby sabe sakhuluma ke baby sana sasagcina sila, yabona. Hayi masele sithandana vele ukho yangitshela ukuthi no yena ne-girlfriend yakhe bahlukene due to girlfriend yakhe uchithile ke, so that's the reason baze bahlukana. Okay sharp. Also our relationship iqale beautifully. I don't want to like brothers beka right, beka attention, like beka notice all the little things ezingenza ukuthi ngibe happy noholo motho through and through. Ngilobona ayuqinile ukuthi sadayithana for 1 year 6 months, asihlele sihlangana 1 year 6 months mark. Umuntu wathi you know what, bena bengicela ke uthi mina nawe sithathe the next step of which kore anje mahadi uray brothers vele angicele ngicela abazali bakho ukuthi sizoza re ba gamukoni re tlotisha mahadi. Okay no problem, ubrothers umkoni no problem. I need letter ekithi umama vele approve ayibiki umkoni ke beze ke ekithi banje mahadi icithalana kube indaba zokuthi mina no guys we move in together cause all the time bengihlala endaweni yami nayehlala endaweni yakhe besivakashelana. Okay sharp. Awushoze uru brothers ekibu background yasengiyibone ke bathu bale bawutsana school ikibo brothers bange bafundile bonke and ilabantu ababelieve ukuthi awube nomntwana ungakashadanga ke batho bawo. Thina ekithi si flexible nje, anything can happen at any time arina mathata, wabona. Uthi okay masiqeda vele akulobola simove in together kwaba ukuthi ubrothers beka busy ngenye course, so nani basebenza but anje afunda. Okay sharp no problem. Wangi-encourage again nami ukuthi you know what, try to do something. Funa i-course engengwayenza ukuthi uzi-uplifte usuke through the position awusebenza khona, hence complaining ukuthi abakuhlede kahle emsebenzini or awushoze ayingimlalele vele brothers ke-apply brothers uye bekabhadala ama-studies wami vele bekumuntu good financially, like nohulu bathu babale well focused ngempilo ke. Okay sharp. Awushoze mina no brothers sihlale fully without a child. Ukuthi ubrothers athi kimi athi you know what, asiphele 3 years mina ngiqede my studies nawe uqede your studies kanti sizocabanga indaba zabantwana, like asithathe energies nayo rekenye kudi booking. Hayi ngithathe advice kube ukuthi mina ke ngihamba ke ngiyojova sibuni, wabona. Uthi hayi sihlale umother in law athi ufuna uzovakashela sihlala khona. Okay sharp. Mamazala afitla the first thing ayikhulumile athi umoshada mntwana utshela mina ke my mother in law mahomukuni athi first thing mawushada already so shut you, so the only thing simele ukuthi wena ube le motho wa mahlo amabedi kentori yemetseng. So what's the delay? Ngimchazele ke ukuthi umntwana wakho usesikolweni nami ngisesikolweni and umntwana wakho thize ngcono siconcentrate esikoleni ngicala before singaba nomntwana. So after masicedile ngedegree siyenzayo naye degree yakhe ayenzayo besicela ke ukuthi siphande chance. Then after 3 years ngimore kabang tengilengwana. Hayo mother-in-law angabe nenkinga athi okay ngizokhuluma nomkoni kusho bakhulumile ke because umkoni azangaza bring up the subject to me since mina nje ukuthi mama kuthize not I will sort it out. Okay sharp. What else was him? I3 years indlule ngicedeke esikolweni sekukhuluma habo before mother-in-law uyeza endlini kwami angitshela awusi uthize ngiphi 3 years umuntu ngahabo 4 so vele khupela ge gore bona no khupele ngwana to show ukuthi umakoti wangapho ngokuphelela. What else was akena ngwana I don't have a child umkoli na akanamntwana so it was namntwana. It's okay no problem kube ukuthi sesengitshela ke ubrothers ukuthi mama kube kalana phela umama kufuna ingane ubrothers athi hayi mama ungamntu like usikamna ungamnaki vele umuntu omdala unjalo uzokupressurize but don't put pressure on yourself because of nalwena we know woremi kugai so umntwana makazile uzuza so ungarash yabona or ngibe relaxed because my husband on the other side kilobona uyangisupport yabona uthi okay I was just ku relationship umshado wami kumnandi I don't want to lie kumunati renchana di date night ratha my holiday vacation mina no guy masifuna ukwenza traveling siyama long distance sama driver together kumunati nje kumnandi unabangani abashadile mina nginama friends ashadile but most of the time sispenda isikhathi nabangani bakhe abashadile because we are building a relationship libathu abanyitseni yabona. Okay sharp. What I was just saying, was 5. Mother-in-law calls me. Ukuthi ngicela ukuthi uze makoti ekhaya ushiye your husband hotla wona only one. Ngitshela umkoni umama ko inviteile again uthi ngize nge1. Ay umkoni athi okay, phela you need to build a bond no mama. Phela lo muntu lona is the first lady engamthanda. So together mafuthi makubiza nibe together it's a good sign ukuthi umama like all feel I want uja as ona high wena. Uthi ngipaka amabheke ngidrive ke ngibe umkoni angifika khapha umkoni I was just first thing mangifika ngithola vele kunemoto ngaphandle iphake from outside akithi I'm thinking maybe a relative engayazi mangena endlini uma kamkoni ngithola vele unomunye ubaba nomunye umama ayivele ngiyabulisa makoti tsa mo bya get back ko kamareni shana ubuwe yabona uthi okay mangiyakha bomkoni ngigcoka iduku ngigqoka iskate vele ngiyahloniphisa the whole time uthi hayi ngifike ngibeka ibheke ekamareni la kamkoni angifika ngihlale dining room mangifika ngithothise ke umama hore batho batlile for wena kusho umama zala athi umama lona ubaba basile mina uthi mangibheka lo baba lo wabheri dibits mumatsogo le momoto uthi ngisibuza ukuthi hawu isangoma singaba sizile sisele mina for what ikilobona what I was just ngihleli phela lapha sengisurprised ngishocked are batho ba ba emetso gore letšatši awe ba boshegomo re tlo phethela taelo ga botsebotse wena tshwantse go phethele bona uthi ngiyambheka lo mama lo sephethe indayelo kanjani because this person wabheri dibits yabona uthi ngithi okay ngingaali but angitshele kahle athi into seyenza la ke into abasadi so your husband must never know ukuthi thina la sense in ngiyacela atshele mina. What I was just in my heart I'm like I'm going to tell my husband I must never tell my husband what ayi baqede vele ukukhuluma ngitshela ukuthi no go prepare a dinner for us kupheka uqede and then qedalana later on uhlaphe because into sokwenza yona ngeke usakhona ukugeza yabona ugeza kodwa ugezela then come back sizo proceed again into soyenza. What I was just ngikamareni mangifika kamareni ngithatha ifoni kere wena umamakho kunomunye ubabozela nomama but bazongiphethela idayilo eyani wangangitshela ukuthi ngize ngizophetha izindayelo umukoni athi yimi athi baby relax ayekho umama ayikho into umama angakwenza yona wrong umama uyakuthanda uyangithanda angeke abone angeke afune ubona mina ngikwatile so if barketayelo it means ukuthi lutsa greke so don't stress yourself wena unophetha fela uthi hayi mangiceda ukupheka makade ukudliwa ngoshizitsha vele uthi ngibelekiwe hayi bathatha ibhavu vele eyalizenga yabona esiwashakiwe emakhaya uthatha ibhavu bayibeke vele phakathi in the middle of the room vele bakhiphe vele idilo jabona vele ditlhare tse di-pink tse di-red tse di-black ukuthi awushozi bazimixe ngaphakathi kwe-20 liter uthayi vele lo mama lo vele acele vele ahe kabhakabhaka abantu lababhaketa ndawasenza ngawo i-atsha lawo usithenga u-atsha uthi akhe ngale bhakete vele every scoop yakhuluma ukuthi lifilitswe ho tla ukhanya ngibe nomntwana vele bakhulumela umntwana uthi vele bangeze uthi qedelana vele bangitshela ukuthi ngingaqhubisi vele ngivele ngime ngi-air dry and ngiqedelana ngingene ezingubeni ngilale ngingaqhubisi anything ngingafaki roll-on ngingafaki anything ebusweni just ngilale like that ora awushozi vele uthi mangifika vele rumini ora ngifonele uGayi ngimtshela ukuthi abantu besikini bangeza ngemithi bathi wena ufuna ingane kanti ubahlangwana na bungangitsheli the whole time na wabona okay athi hayi man umama mungitshelile athi like kaningi thina kithi kuna this ritual they do mafuthi ukuthi ube nomntwana so I didn't think ukuthi it's a big deal because banokuhlaphisa phela and bawuhlaphisa go high it doesn't mean ukuthi bakusenyangeni and stuff so babe don't panic. Or I was choosing, or this man and the mother-in-law buying this cars are behind my back. Now I'm thinking, what can I a shoulder to cry on, can't a shoulder to cry on? I'm young betray. All right, no problem. I was choosing the following morning. You okay? Mangvuga vel first thing I did do think as a vele because when you was snacks or get happy. Mvuga a kitchen when mama saliti or mama vele atigi are. Ore uthiki mi are uskana gana go ra loya ngwana ka ro loya re direla wena gore lenya lao le tie phela a go sna ngwana go ka tnyarela ngwana ka ntle a re ke ngwana lenyalo la ke ngwana monna gago wena o le mo lenyalong so re direla wena gore lenya lao le tie gono ba le bana cause since se twa go ke ngwa go 6 se tlo mo lenyalong pata gona ngwana sa matlwa se be gona o kong ba bona or awusoze vele ngithule uthi nami ingiphe ama doubts in myself ukuthi awurake vele vele phela sengina success nalo muntu lo okay 3 years asibalo cause neke tlhabale rawo but 3 full years I would regise ut like nami ngisidoubt as a woman ukuthi should vele ngikhona uzala ubona that's why umama astep in or awusoze okay ngifile ukuthi maybe uyanginceda umama so like ngiappreciate usizo lakhe or awushozi ngicale singakukulisha ukuthi what to eat ngenze ini kikihlohele enye ngibona ukuthi uyaspend umntwana yamfuna but ebusweni bami wenza ngathi hayi don't panic but umama ke bayakhuluma behind closed doors ukuthi lento bazana le wayengabreak or awushozi ayibekumele ukuthi baze ngithi batlofelitsa like exchange ama gifts aba umbesa akufanele bazokucedela ukumbesa and then qedelana re white wedding because bavele bakhipha amalobola and stuff hayi ngibuza uhusband ukuthi kanti noqedelela nini like idulotse because so lokungenze ukhipha izinto zafu and abazali bami bayabuza phela ukuthi uqedelela nini because unsise half qabotse sonke uphela uqedelele the whole ceremony yabona for me ukuthi izinto zami zicace that's the reason maybe singabi nomntwana hayi uGayi athi kimi athi mina umama mongitshela ukuthi singaqeda ungakabi nomntwana cause like ngwana kena asila ngidile gore abotse re ngitse motho gona ngo belega or also the issue umntwana ngibona ukuthi it's a big deal ku family ikibo mina by 3 so my by 3 husband firstborn then kuna 2 ladies or go university and then my sister-in-law uqedile nayo uyasebenza waba nenhlanti ke wathola umshado uthi makathola umshado within lo nyaka waqeda umshado ngawo-Australia abale ngwana or waqala inkinga zomshado wami uri awushozi makaba nomntwana each and every time awudlaliswa ngumntwana angishiklona like umntwana namdlalisana namjambajambisa yo wena ufihlile kapela ubhalile mgatshamba luma gago shetjana le 7 years alimo mala ngwana do uthi badlalisa umntwana leso sikhathi awushozi ikiteng like engihleli nabo ngikhona uthi like this camp wabona di jabsinyana tseweni then dibateng uri mgatshamba luma kana ngwana notloba pala le ngwana wa mgatshamba ngona ngwana kufoka wena unoshuwa borega mara mama zalba khona ba evil yo all awushozi like bengenza sure ukuthi mangiyakulo yamusi if ngiyathola bahleli danto kunomntwana uthi ngizibilele kamareni or ngohlala ngaphandle because I know ukuthi batlomfilishate and vele umntwana kaveli yabona umntwana kaveli or awushozi hayi sa check ukuthi usister unomntwana one kufete 1 year What man sengiricha vele sengiranela to 10 years without a child emshadweni. Uthi awusho ukule 1 year the second year ugela abe nomntwana umfana. Manje abantwana efamily sebayi2 na do awuna ngwana. Or awusho ziyabona lo nyaka ke like ngilikaifila phina ora ke na ngwana. Ngilikaifila habothoko. Or awusho maga pregnant ayasele u30 esibhedlele bafonela my husband ukuthi aze nami esibhedlele ariba kuna this thing bathi uyayenza bathi kisijwa I don't know culture yami umuntu maga preg uyakhumula bathi uyakuraba like uraba ngalesisu like more like nihlangana nikade mpaso bathi ba transfer inhlanhla ukuthi transfera inhlanhla ukuthi ukhona wena ukukhulela easy and then bafisa ulosisi lo upregnant wanraba le mount ubona uraba umakoti umrabe isisu ngesisu sakhe and then wamraba nezinyawo ukuthi uyamdlulisela ukuthi abe pregnant. Or I was choosing hore ke nthongo le ngabare idire ku family ngile like I was doing it because of if ke hano robonga ke nna ke hano hore ke fe my husband ngwana uthi vele sayenza lokho or alko sibedlele waiting ukuthi bazomuyenza waiting for ukuthi bayombuka for i-theater akhumula ayenze uthi I did that ke ahamba vele ayotete uthathe umntwana omfana. Or I was choosing talana everyone phela fanele ukuthi sambe sobona umntwana because thina seduze nala usisi atetele khona ayimasiya lapha yana everyone excited re tlo bona ngwana awusijuzi bangitshela hore mfana wami at least wena before itla lefatsheng o file magatsa maloma ga go mahlatse gore a be le ngwana re sho gore ngwaga o re tlo bona ka dimpa di rurugile ngwaga o ka sefele dimpa di sa ba ruruga a bona. Or I was choose my husband yahleka uthi I'm not laughing because I know this thing is a sensitive issue on my side global I'm angizibrekisi fanele ukuthi so it this thing it's off from both of us so bakhuluma ngathi yimi like engadate like engazali global. It's okay, no problem. I was just say I'm done bam discharge no mama bahambe ke thina sizilendlini uthi must drive us isendleleni ngibuza my husband ukuthi ngoba now sesina 9 years together akunamntwana don't you think mina now fanele ukuthi siye doctor so check both of us ukuthi what's the reason ukuthi singabi nomntwana. Uthi my husband angibheke ari unanore nakebele bana phela na doesn't mean rakebele bana like nani ke safe all the time. That's why ngibe nabantwana ngisesemncane because of being his protector. So now ngikhethe wena kubo bonke amantombazana wena uzofika la ungabi nomntwana like uba ngare like matla aka awela kofatsi ifuna hano re nakebele ngwana akezame kontle ke bona gore nka sebele ngwana. Or I was just like that uthi like ngaba so shocked ukuthi mina nomuntu lo sibe ne beautiful life azange kube ukuthi ngithola ifone or nginyoba ka phone kusho or kuba namafani WhatsApp efonini azange. So today umuntu ngitshela straight ari ngixohele kozama konke ke bona hore ngikasebele ngwana na bada kafuna ukuye doctor athi na kinyatsa matla ahare. Or I was choosing ukathatha ifone atshela umama wakhe ukuthi mina I said both of us we need to go to the doctor so check ukuthi kahle medically ininkinga singakhona mina ukukhulela. Or yo I was choosing uf mama wangifonela a re ke lo kwa kae ba re monna a bile pelego rena family nya ga ba rena ka moka rena le bana a ona monno go rana pelego motho tlo ka pelego mo kwene ka makalo gore khalelele o le gogo ka gono tlala a re o skupa sa o pala tlala metsi a re ngwana ka so la o pompela metsi a go pompela metsi para o tlale gona no tlo ngwana ka belege ko eno sa belegeng tsa me ga ba go direle le tsa setso kwa no ga palelo go ba le ngwana o palelwa. Or I was choosing ngavele ngathule phone hayi uthi I was choosing akhuluma umama anyenyefatsa akhuluma de wefuna ngakhona uthi asangize ngiphendule uthi vele like ingibezi bezezehlela ke asangize ngiphendule ngavele ngathula ngathi tu wathetha waqeda wa drop iphone uthi from lelo langa uhusband wami washintsha completely or ashintsha indoda seyahamba ayingasabuyi indoda seyajola ke manje uthi my husband sekajola akabuyi tsamali weekend kawufela axe inhlungu uma ngimbuza uzoyenza because ehlule ukunikeza ingane. Like each and every time no amagama engiwathola ebusweni bami uzoyenzani because ehlule ukungipha ingane. Uthi elinye lamalanga awusoze ngikhona endlini ngihleli bala inlo ufika naloya mama naloya baba bayafika kwami-ke ukuthi sokwenzela ritual for the last time sizame sibone ukuthi isibelethwa sakho siyabanda or siyashisa siyakhona ukukera umntwana na silithi sizokwenzela ritual or awushozi that day ngaba ne-courage and I've said to my mother-in-law ngathi no, not in my house. Ungakenza whatever wenza endlini yakho but not endlini nami. Bengicela ukuthi uphume uhambe nalabantu bakho. Uthi yo awushozi or undraka kama nhlungu yangwanaka kanhlungu yangwanaka kathi ekologo ntraka stool because of chelete yangwanaka nokasebele sisilo if azangakusha esikolweni wena. Uthi awushozi umama wangithuka uthi ngamtshela ngathi yabona noma ngithuka but lezi zinto efuna ukungenza zona angeke ngisaphinde ngizenze so ngicela ngiphumeleni ngumuzi. Uthi awushozi athathe ifoni afonele my husband uthi umfazi wakho silana endlini uyasicosha. Or awushozi monaka atlakitima afitla kitima ari usitshaka isibethe sa uraka mme waka usitshaka uthi ame no mother-in-law. Uthi labantu laba azenabo mother-in-law boyithu bathi sathi uthi no bahambe because they can see ukuthi ifamily engavumelanga bahambe vele lo mama nalo makhosi bahambe kusale me and my husband. Or awushozi monaka athathile ukila mbetha in front of my mother-in-law. Uthi no time yangishaya or yangishaya aze yangikhahlela. My mother-in-law azama ukuthi uyangamulela azangiarasela umme ola wangishaya kudungishalana wabe sokhapha umother-in-law bahamba ke angishaya lapho ngilele phansi awusozikelela uthi that's the day I called my mother and told her ukuthi kwenzakalani. My mother was like tshwarishambia akekho umuntu ozoshaya umntwana mina ngamshaya. Uthi ngatshela my mother ngathi you know what angeke ngikhona ukumbambisa okwamanje but into ayenzile right. Uthi my mother nobaba bahambe ke baya ka mother-in-law bayisele ba request a meeting ukuthi bafuna ukuhlangana bazokhuluma this issue. Uthi mother-in-law awushozi aphike ukuthi bekakhona. Uthi aphika ku meeting aphika ukuthi bangishaya bekakhona angibhekile azanginamlela. Or awushozi mume oli aphika arena zangabona silo and nothing. Kwaba ngathi mina ngikhuluma manga the husband wamana umamakhe uthi ijaji le ngilini kwaba ngathi kukhala something in my mind ukuthi leave this place batlobolayo leave this place. Or awushozi it is after meeting manga buza my husband ukuthi why did you have to lie ukuthi ungishaye phambi komama kuphike. Uthi arinana uri batswadi bakho batlojajwa ngumtswadi wakhe. Uthi ngimukuthi wena do you feel right ukuthi ungishaye na. Uthanga ngiphendula my husband or ngikhuluma naye kanjalo awushozi umuntu upaka i-overnight bag aringasikhona ubalwena olumo stating sewulengisona because of or na umpenta kapente khubidu phela gabatswadi ba gago angeke ngikhona ukuba nawo. Or awushozi my husband left me uhamba uhlala ne-side chick ngahlala endlini for the whole month alone yena azazoshintsha izimpahla ashezingcolile azoshintsha izimpahla ashezingcolile. Uthi I had to ukuthi manje ke ngifonela umama ngimtshela ukuthi I'm ready to pick up and leave. My mother came nobaba bazongipakisa izinto zami awushozi kabeketswa komtsimula kasangikalayela ngahamba ngayigeti the day athi uzophindisela izimpahla zakhe because uyaziletha ezingcolile ngiziwashe ngizi-iron ngizibisele wardrobe afike abuye azoshintsha the day athi uzoshintsha uthole everything ngiyame ngekho. He called me wa utsamaya nhlungu amtshela ukuthi you know what I can see uri nyalo alisawuberekela so for you ukuthi uphume endlini yakho uhambe uroba la kumetsinge side it's better uje motho uphilele namonhlungu lidule together ube le ngwana lena as na le rela ripopela ka ya tonya ayikhona balebana. Ura awushozi kwabe sokuphela umshado wami ke aphela kanjalo I blocked everyone from the family. But even though amo sister-in-laws beyangasibhedi kimi angifuna ukukhuluma manga ngabo azange bamphethelele iskempe umuntu bengishayela ama scamp. It's my mother-in-law. Or awushozi ngizame ke ngihlale vele like ngithi heal emotionally because emotionally I was so hurt emotionally ukuthi umuntu lona ungithandile and ralatana monate for over 10 years but umuntu wasimoshela umshado it's my mother-in-law. Awushozi ngidlule vele nyaka vele solo ngisingile anginamuntu ongidithana naye. My mother was like, you know what, study faster and ungaziblame. Ushadile, umshado wazange uzukusebenze, so umntwana msese young, you can start date again, qala impilo yakho kabusha. Or awushoze ngiqale ke ngifuna indawo ke, ngiqale ngifuna indawo, ngithole indawo ngihlale ngiyi-one. Ngiqala ngihlala ngiyi-one, ngi-applyela umsebenzi, ngibe nenhlanhla ke ngithole umsebenzi kwenye company. Like ngisuke from the environment bebangazi ngishadile, like benkile emotionally drained and depressed because of like environment la bengisenzela khona bebangazi ngingumisi sibanibani, because uthi ngishadile, stuff like that. Manje angisashadile kanti lobona like office gossip or jwa mawulula belly thing. So like being apply ukuthi ngifunda just to move from that environment, basale nalempilo bebayazi, ngihambe environment labangangazi khona at all, bawazi mina esikile Nthabi, not Nthabi the married wife, kilobona the married woman. Hayi or awushoze ngithole umsebenzi kwenye company ngifihle mu hayi impilo vele iqale vele ikhanya othi la kule complex engihlale kiyo kube na this guy abe interested hona or awushoze ukulabona like out from a major breakup and wahlala a full year ule single, like ubala that edge ukuthi now you want dilotsele kilobona. So uthi this guy vele mina naye hayi sihlangane sikhulume each and every time sahlangana sikhuluma ukuthi sometimes I'm driving ngiyaphuma na oreni uyangena siyabona ngishayela uhutha, each and every time uvula iwindow uyangibulisa, wena ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe man, ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe bona uthi hayi elinye lamalanga like bengiwasha i-carpet ngaphandle. Uthi vele ukavele ezekimi athi no, I've been waiting for this chance to ukukhuluma nawe, so can I please talk to you? Hayi or awushoze nale guy ribulele or yazi siklike nje first time or like riklike nale guy rigcina sesi lana. Uthi guy awushoze hobe motho ho like ke type yaka like physically like he's my type. So or awushoze mina nalo muntu sithandane or 3 months ayafela kabe sithi riya go enkonzweni yabantu abadala. Or awushoze like ubotha bare modimo sometimes uyakublockela izinto for a reason. Or ka 3 months ona esidayithanile awushoze uthi ngaba pregnant. Or like ukuthi pregnant, I didn't even see ukuthi pregnant. Like bengishange izinto zambe zichange abe kusahle kusalata maye chicken ngikhela snacks or ngingaboni ukuthi pregnant, ngapick up immediately ukuthi I'm pregnant. Uthi angitshela mama ukuthi asimama ngiyagula, like bangidle chicken kuba so my mother was like no, go hambe chemist yothenga pregnancy test. Izinto zikhuluma ngathi abantu abakhulelwe wabona uthi ngithi hayi mama phela mina ngihleli tennis yonke ngabi break, I don't think ukuthi I'm pregnant. But what my mama was like, uye nomuntu angisho kulomuntu, so clearly shows ukuthi wena nomuntu onenza izinto zabantu abadala. So hambe chemist or awushoze kaya chemist or akifihla chemist ngithenga pregnancy test, uthi ngifike endlini ngizitest or it's king or azangize ngibelieve ngithenga 2 ama pregnancy test, ngatesta ngawo o2 aba positive. Clearly I'm pregnant. What I was azangikabelieve ukuthi umuntu lo angimazi, sina 3 months together, what I didn't even care. The excitement I had to find out kahle isibelethe sami asibandi, siyakhona ukuba nengane. Or I was ngajabula ngaze ngaguqa phansi ngakhala and I prayed to God or modimo kyaleboga or like the way bang humiliating ngakhona kuloyo muzi, ngiyabonga ukuthi today ngiyakhona ukukhira umntwana. Uthi awushoze I called the guy immediately and ngamtshela ukuthi mina ngikhulele. Uguy he wasn't that excited because besaqala ukwazana and beyangazazi prepare ukuthi angaba nomntwana. Ngamtshela ngathi you know what, if umntwana nomfuni mina ngiyamfuna, if ucabanga ukuthi this relationship won't survive because of nginengane, it's fine. Usisura hayi awushoze pregnancy yaba beautiful. Uguy azangabaleke, uguy bekakhona angisupport fully, the relationship ya blossoma kwaba mnandi, a relationship yethu kwa blossoma kwaba mnandi ngaze ngateta. Or awushoze first thing engayenza thatha a picture after umntwana kwethu uzala, ngamvala nge-love emoji lana ebusweni, uthi ngabhala ngathi the fruits of my womb, isibeletho sami siyasebenza, or ka posta ko social media. I wanted uguy to see hore ka khona ubelega, bengazi ukuthi abantu bazomtshela ukuthi unomntwana. so a bone gore ka nnete ke na le ngwana gore I was just the way nga treatiwa kulo ya muzi like nami bengisidawutha umuntu wesifazane or I was just umntwanami bengibonga uNkulunkulu every day for my child gore modimo umkhulu ke na le ngwana today or the reason I'm sharing the story is that baningi abantu besifazane baku situation yami ushade nomuntu kanti umuntu uyongazali and then ba blame wena esimotho alungume are ube depressed kulinyalungu for ngakhangaga thinking ukuthi what the problem only to find out ukuthi your husband is the problem asikhulumi enough as a society umadoda abanganayo inzalo always ba blame umuntu wesifazane bacicelela phansi or awushosikebelelona today I'm married to the new guy Mr. Kunene. We've got 2 beautiful kids and my mother-in-law and my husband bayazi ukuthi nginabantwana and my mother-in-law tried to reach out to my mother ukuthi ufuna ukukhuphela tshwarelo but umama wami why decline tshwarelo ya gagwe so I'm a happy girl. What a happy ending. I ain't even right, guys. Bye.